The Todd mdt-224-1212r, which is a member of the mdt-220 family of power supplies, is a multiple output power supply that can be used for various applications in machines. This particular power supply came from a machine being used by an aircraft manufacturer and came to us producing no output, which is typical for this type of product. We rebuilt this power supply from top to bottom, and after, we attached it to a load and verified all the outputs for full operation, as shown in the video. At ERD, we repair power supplies every day, and can cover any type, from a control voltage one such as this to an exotic high voltage supplies. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.